Diamond Divas. This is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and I'm here today with Dreamer Design diamond paintings that I promised you yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and show you. If you haven't seen Dreamer Design's video yet, you can watch the other one, or I'll just show you. It comes in a beautiful canvas bag. It's nothing super fancy, but it's an awesome storage idea. So I love the bag that these come in, and I just wanted to mention that in case you had not seen my first video about Dreamer Designs. I also have a little velvet pouch with the tools, and the tools I had discussed in the first video, so if you guys want to go check that out, you'll be able to see that, but it comes with every set. Now, this is what I've been waiting for. First of all, before I open this, I have to tell you why I ordered it, and it's going to sound funny because this is a beautiful diamond painting, but in my lifetime, I would have never thought I would have ordered something like this. My 3-year-old grandson, who is just a fireball, he is super intelligent, and his favorite thing are bugs and like critters, lizards. He has a pet chameleon. He loves frogs, things like that. So he even calls himself Coyote Colton, and he goes out and explores, and they record him, and he'll talk about animals, and he'll give you details about specifics on animals, what they eat and whatever. It is the cutest thing ever. Of course, I'm biased, but when I saw this, because I had done a paint by number for my granddaughter who was 10, I felt kind of guilty, and I showed my grandson this picture, and he was like, "Oh, I love it." So I ordered this diamond painting for him. It goes with the two that I showed you in my first Dreamer Design video. It's the same artist. It is Sandra Trubin, and so it's gonna have those same vibrant colors. But this way you'll know this is why I ordered this particular painting. I know everybody's like, what? Let me use something over here to hold this down, see if I've got something just for the time being. Look at the vibrant colors on this fabulous painting. Now this is a 40 by 50 canvas. It's the same size as the two that I did yesterday. It is a 15.7 inch by 19.7 inch piece. So they're all three exactly the same size. So if I wanted to frame them all together, you know, and hang them on a wall, they would be perfect next to each other. I have another sword for Colton. And I'm sorry, I'm throwing things around over here. And of course, I've got my schematic that, you know, I love, just little touches that I love, and the drills. This particular canvas has 27 colors, just like the tawny owl that I showed you, and it has 2 aurora borealis colors, and it really honestly looks like this is the exact same palette. Now, I know I'm not gonna know for sure until I compare, but it looks like the same palette as my tawny owl, and it looks like the scarlet macaw with, you know, a few less colors. So it is gonna be fabulous. I cannot wait. In fact, I think this is the one I'm gonna start with since I finished my painting for Michaela. I really feel like I need to work on this diamond painting for Colt, and I think he'll be super excited about it. Well, I hope you love it. I think it's fabulous, as always. I didn't open the drills because I feel like you can kind of see those in my previous video, and but the colors are just delicious yumminess. Like, there's not one color in here that I'm gonna dread putting on this canvas. I cannot wait. It is a square drill, and so all of these have square drills, which is perfect because I can combine all of my drills together and work on all of these projects with the same set of drills in one storage. And I just think that's gonna be fabulous. It's gonna be super efficient that way. All right, you guys, super excited. This one's called Freddy the Frog, and it's from Dreamer Designs. I hope you love it. I hope you love it as much as I do. I'd like to come back and show it to you finished. I don't know how long it'll take me to finish when I'm recording 50 videos a day, but I can't wait to start working on this. All right, I will see you back soon, and I always appreciate you guys for joining me, and, you know, subscribe if you haven't already, and go join us at the group. I've got the link in the description for you. If you want to shop Dreamer Designs, I'm going to put that link in the description as well. I am not affiliated with them in any way at this point, but I will make sure you get sent to their website. All right, thank you, and I'll see you soon.